Self-adhesive enameled wire is widely used due to its simple winding process. Non-self-adhesive enameled wire, with its advantages such as stable electrical and mechanical performance, high insulation strength, and resistance to extreme conditions, is irreplaceable in high-reliability applications like automotive, aerospace, and medical equipment. However, its use is limited mainly due to process challenges, high requirements for winding tension control, susceptibility to breakage and loosening, strict demands on neat wire arrangement, prone to intra-turn and intra-layer shifting, lack of temporary fixation capability, leading to deformation and unraveling, and difficulty in ensuring consistency in mass production. To address these pain points, Xiepu Winding Machine has implemented specialized optimizations through high-precision tension control, optimized wire arrangement mechanisms, and anti-deformation designs. It effectively tackles winding challenges while balancing production efficiency and consistency. The machine's accuracy and stability rival imported equipment, offering high yield, excellent cost-effectiveness, and competitive overall costs. It supports customization and provides rapid after-sales response, delivering a reliable and efficient equipment solution for mass production of precision coils using non-self-adhesive enameled wire. If needed, please contact Xiepu. As the saying goes, gifting a rose leaves fragrance in hand.